How to loop a video. Looping our video is a valuable technique to consider, whether we want to create mesmerizing visuals, highlight hilarious or epic moments, or meet the minimum time requirements of social media. The best part, with VideoProc Converter, everyone can loop his videos effortlessly. VideoProc Converter is an easy yet feature-rich program. It can loop videos in MP4, MKV, or whatever other popular or rare formats. It works incredible fast and won't bring any visible quality loss. Before looping the video, we can make some extra edits to improve how it looks. For example, we can trim off unwanted parts, crop unwanted pixels, and rotate the video. Now, let's get started by downloading VideoProc Converter from the link listed in the comment box. Launch this powerful program. VideoProc Converter can help us loop a video in 2 easy ways. Method 1. Import the video multiple times for looping, then merge them together. Hit Video. Drag the video that we want to loop into the program. Click on Toolbox, select Trim, and then we can move the green knobs to trim off unwanted segments. This area is what we want to loop. Hit Done to confirm our selection. You can check this option to enable hardware acceleration, which can boost the processing speed to up to 47 times faster than the real-time playback. If you need better picture quality, then uncheck this option and select Use High Quality Engine. Once we're done, click on Browse and select the folder for holding the output video file. Click on Run to save the area that want to loop as an individual video file. Click Clear to clear the workspace. Drag the video we just exported into the program as many times as we want it to loop. In my case, I want this clip to loop for 3 times. So I import it to the program for 3 times. Once we're done, select the target format. Usually we want to select MP4H264, cause it's one of the most popular formats. Check the option box of Merge. Hit the Run button. That's it. Let's preview the exported video. We can find the segment we just selected plays 3 times. Method 2. Convert the video into a GIF for automatic looping. Like what we already did, import the original video to VideoProc Converter. Then we click Toolbox and double-click on the GIF icon. Firstly, let's move these 2 green knobs to set the starting and ending time of the looping video. After that, expand the Loop Time menu and choose Loop Forever. If we want the video to play repeatedly without end. Alternatively, we can select a specific loop time, like 5, to make it loop exactly 5 times. We can then choose the resolution, adjust the duration, and change the frame delay time. Once we're done, hit Done. Click Run. Now, let's check the final work. We get a GIF that loops automatically. Leave a comment below to let us know if it helps. Please subscribe and stay tuned. See you next video.